Welcome to the Piping Engineer. In this video, you'll learn about the different types of pipe elbows and how they are used and connected in real piping systems. Types of elbow degree: 60 degrees, 45 degrees, 120 degrees, 180 degrees, 90 degrees. Other types of elbows: reducing elbows, male threaded elbows, short radius elbows, long radius elbows. Types of elbow connections: socket weld elbows, butt weld elbows, threaded elbows. What's your favorite elbow to work with, and why? Drop your answer in the comments.